Hi there, I'm Ann Milano, Associate Broker, and welcome to 3831 Savannah Square East, Atlanta, Georgia. Let's take a look inside.
Located in the heart of Atlanta and just minutes to Spaghetti Junction, you will find Savannah Square, a fabulous townhome community. As you enter the two-story entry foyer, you are met by white tile floors. To the right is a large formal living area with wet bar and a fabulous fireplace that leads to the spacious dining room, perfect for a night of entertaining. Next, we find the gathering room with a view to the kitchen. As you enter the huge kitchen with new flooring, white cabinets, and granite countertops, you can enjoy your morning cup of coffee from the breakfast bar or at the dining area with a bay window overlooking the park-like backyard. A half bath, screened-in porch, and grilling area are perfect to enjoy a night under the stars and completes the first level. Now let's head upstairs where we find the oversized master suite for a quiet night and a hot shower in the master bath with new vanity area and separate tub. Two good-sized secondary bedrooms and a bathroom complete the upper level. Last, we have a two-car garage plus a huge unfinished basement storage area. This gorgeous townhome is just minutes to Kroger for groceries, or head over to North Lake Mall for shopping, or enjoy a fun day at historic Stone Mountain. 3831 Savannah Square East is the perfect place to call home. Contact Associate Broker Ann Milano at 404-966-3980 for more information about this exquisite find.